Gentlemen, you are a lot easier on the eyes when I know you come bearing gifts. Production's really moving, eh?
Everything's golden. The system works, it's hidden, quiet. Nobody goes near the place. It's like it isn't even there.
Beautiful. And long may that continue.
In your side of things?
So far, like clockwork. From here to Empire Bay, we have someone at every link in the chain. And what we've started getting in return. Oof. Hey, Picciotti, bye. Follow me.
They sent all this?
That's not even the half of it.
Oh, Madonna.
Made in America. There's more.
Oh, minchione.
Here, try this.
Empire Bay are really holding up their end, huh?
Should hope so. We are sending them enough. This is just the start. There are mountains of cash for us to make here. And some fun to be had too. Come, take a look at something. Hey! Andiamo, come on! That prize money is going to be ours.
You get kicked in the head? That's the Targa Siragusa. We can't win it. We can't even enter.
I'll get us into that race.
How?
No chance. What are we gonna drive anyway? The delivery truck?
I was thinking we could drive that.
Eta madre. That's a carrozzella. Where did you get this?
It's like I said, our American friends have been making connections for us.
Wait, with who? A firing squad? These are bullet holes, Leo.
Have some vision. So it needs work. Nothing Pasquale can't handle.
Pasquale? Maybe. Maybe. Still doesn't get us into the race.
First, let's drop the car off. Then we can see about getting ourselves into the town.
I'll drive the carrozzella.
Go ahead. Even you can't crash a car with no engine.
What do you know about driving?
I know nobody's safe when you do it. We're heading to Pasquale's new place. I'll show you the way.
Hey, Enzo! Take it easy! This thing is about to fall apart!
If you shut him up, I wouldn't even mind.
This new place. It's the gasoline stand I've been hearing about.
Gasoline station, but yeah. An initiative between the families.
Ah. What do we want with something like that?
Money. Pumped gas is the future. We've got the only pump this side of Palermo. You want gas? You're coming to us.
Right.
And that goes for every driver in the race, too.
Right.
Makes you think. What if on a race day, Pasquale makes a mistake?
Mistake?
Yeah. What if he, I don't know, fills some gas tanks with water?
Couldn't hurt our chances. He's fast. How are we going to win against drivers like that?
Being fast isn't everything.
It's a race, Leo.
It's an endurance race. You need to be fast and avoid trouble. Crashes, breakdowns, mistakes. What can happen, especially to the other teams? It's just up here, Enzo. On the left.
I see it.
Enzo, slow down! The yard is up ahead. On the left.
Grazie. Here we are. All good back there?
No thanks to you. I don't know how you can complain about my driving.
Starting to think you wouldn't show up.
Brought you a little gift.
You said a few scratches, Leone. Looks like it's been used for target practice.
I knew he couldn't handle it. It's a carrozzella, not a horse cat.
Insolente. If it's a machine, I can fix it.
Have faith, amico. Leave him to it. We have things to discuss.
How do we get an entry into this thing? Can't win a race we're not in.
Well, I have a plan, but I'll need some help. Enzo, can you meet me in San Celeste tonight?
I can be there. What do you need from me?
All in good time. Just make sure you bring your camera. It's time. This is him.
So? Who is that?
Marquis Siragusa.
Siragusa? Like Targa Siragusa?
That's the one. He organized it. Chose the course, even put up the prize money.
Ah, right. So we're getting a photograph of him with the girls.
A man like him, a family man, church benefactor, will do anything to keep a photo like that from getting out.
Like giving up a spot in the race.
Among other things. You just need a vantage point.
You're late, Leone.
Concetta, you're as beautiful as always. Who are they?
Don't know, but they're not here for fun.
Bodyguards.
Must be. How many?
4. 2 got here an hour ago. The other 2, up there, arrived with your friend.
Which room is he in?
That one.
Enzo, you'll need to go through the passage over there to get up to the vantage point. Find a way past these men. Either up the stairs on the left or through the courtyard. I'll help if I can.
You're here with Leo?
How did you know?
You're not one of them. Head upstairs.
Grazie.
You can get a good view of him from the balcony.
Perfetto.
Turn around and let me see.
Merda. Need to get around to the other side.
Hurry up, will you? Meet me down here when you're done.
Terrible. Completely irredeemable.
I can only offer my most humble apologies, signore.
And you're no better, dirty girl, laying hands on a man of my stature. It's an outrage.
I can't help myself.
I beg your pardon.
I can't help myself. Since...
Time to go. I've seen enough.
Are you sure you're ready, signore?
Took your time.
Next time, you climbed on the damned roof and take the dirty pictures.
Anyway, that gets us in the race. The Marquis will be more than happy to grant our request when I show him this.
Not that I don't trust Pasquale, eh? But in that car, the odds are against us.
They are. Which is good for my books.
Only if we win.
Have a little belief, eh? By the way, I hear the French teams are shipping their cars through Genoa.
Makes sense.
It does. Although there are rumors of a dock worker strike. Cargo could get stuck there for weeks.
Oh, that would be a shame.
Wouldn't it just? Ah, here's Franco with my ride home. Get some rest. Busy day tomorrow. We'll see if you drive as well as you ride.
It'll be here any second. You better be ready.
You really think this thing can beat the train?
Let's find out.
Here we go. Let's see if Pasquale worked his magic.
Race the train! Ah, why did I let you talk me into this?
Come on. Ready? Here it is! Drive, Enzo!
Maria! That was fast!
This thing can really move. But it still needs work.
Let's get her back to Pasquale.
Why did you pick Cesare to navigate?
It was the only way to keep him out of the driver's seat. Why? You want somebody else?
No. I trust him.
And he trusts you. That's why it's you two in the car. And lucky for us, you'll be the best navigator in the race.
The best?
The others only get a week to practice here. He's lived here his whole life. He knows the course better than anything.
All down to my driving.
That and a little luck.
She's a fiery one, no?
Fiery enough. She sounds unhappy, though.
I know the type. Let me take a look.
Enzo, Cesare, let's go over the plan. So, as expected, the Marquis was more than happy to register us in the race.
What a gentleman.
Not from what I saw.
He served his purpose. You happy with the car?
When it runs smoothly.
Leave that to Pasquale. Focus on the driving. And listen to Cesare. He'll tell you what's around each corner.
You hear that, Enzo? You need to listen to me.
Minchioni. So, what about these shortcuts? Where are they?
I'll have girls waiting to mark them out. Here. Watch for them. Cesare, you too. They'll give you an edge.
Cheating always does.
Hey, you want a sporting contest, go play bocce. I want that prize money.
That makes two of us.
I don't have a problem with that.
Leo's plan better work.
Says everything's ready. So it's ready.
It's some machine they put together.
Not going to be as fast as the visitors, but it's the driver who wins races, not the car.
The noise, the noise.
Won't be complaining when you're counting your winnings.
This has to be the drive of your life.
You just keep me right.
Forza Cesare, forza Enzo!
Hey, you lose. You're both on stable duty for a month, eh?
He's never happy with the whole.
Quale pezzo di merda! Great start!
It's about how you finish. Come on. There's a right corner after that arch, Enzo. And it's fucking tight. All right, get your foot down now. No surprises for a while. Nizzica. Go right. The riverbed. Right. Vaffanculo. Minchia. That didn't sound good. Che minchia è? No power. Hold on. I'll take a look. Make it quick. Stein. Hold her steady, Enzo. What do you think I'm trying to do? Steady up. Fuel line. It's loose. Can you fix it? Yeah. Just need to... Big down. It's red hot. You want me to stop? No. I've got it. Come on. Got it. Go. You hurt. I'm all right. Let's win this thing. Can get back on the course up there. Right, Enzo, right. We lost a lot of gas. We got enough to finish? I don't know. Keep going, be more careful. Hey, Enzo, where's the photographer? I want to get a photo. Forget it. He's passed out. How are we supposed to mark the occasion? Not every day you beat the world's richest idiots. What about your cousin? Doesn't she take photographs?
Yeah, I think I saw her with Leo. Go fetch her, will you?
All right.
I'll meet you at the car.
The fastest man in Sicily.
Luca, Valentina.
You drive well for a Caruso.
I had a lot of help from Cesare.
You two boys bring out the best in each other.
Oh, and the worst.
Don't make a fun of the boy, my love.
He knows I'm playing. You did us proud, Enzo. Yet again. Now stop wasting your time talking to us. Go have a good time.
Yes, Enzo. Go. Find yourself a girl.
When's the next shipment?
Week after next. What? You running out?
And that's a breakfast.
Every day.
Madonna, unbelievable.
Look at this fat fuck. You think he's going hungry?
Shut up.
Leo, can you...
Enzo, let me introduce Giuliano Bertone and Elio Tricconi, friends of ours from Empire Bay.
Empire Bay? We have you to thank for the car?
We move a lot of cars. My memory gets hazy.
Ours too, right, Enzo?
Don't remember any car. Listen, Leo. We're taking a photo. Have you seen Signorina Torrisi?
She was with her friend. We don't know where they went.
I'll see you by the car, all right?
Gentlemen, I'll leave you two.
All right. Don't forget what we talked about.
When have I ever let you?
Signorina Torrisi. Your cousin wants us to take a photo.
What a celebration, Enzo. Are you enjoying yourself?
I am. Thank you, Signorina Torrisi.
I hope you're not drinking too much.
Oh, I'm not. I don't want to miss any of tonight. I've got a feeling it will only get better.
Better?
Well, it's a special day. Your father's giving all the men the night off.
So nobody's watching the house. Somebody could sneak in during the night. Or sneak out.
Huh. They could, Signorina Torrisi. Do you think they will?
Who can say what will happen after dark?
Stand up straight, Cesare.
What? I am.
Let's get this over with.
Get together there. Closer.
Here. You should be holding this.
All right, get in position then. Don't move. Hold that pose.
Hurry up.